guys! So I bought all the Suva Beauty's UV activated Hydra FX colors a while back and finally had a chance to sit down and really play with them. If you want to see how I did this glowy character, then sit back and keep watching. Started with gluing down those pesky eyebrows. Put down a base of Skin Illustrator white concentrate liquid. Wanted a lighter base to apply the bright colors on so they could really pop. First, Suva Beauty Hydra FX color in Scrunchie. It's a water activated cake, so I made up a good amount of liquid and put it in an airbrush. Doing this in a couple layers to get the opacity I want, yet still maintaining a soft blend. This is a character makeup, so I did play with some different shapes on the face. Then grabbing Suva Beauty Hydra FX and Grape soda. Airbrushing this color on the outer areas of the previous pink shade. Also adding it above the eyes, and again applying this in multiple layers. Creating large dramatic shapes, since it was going to glow under black light, I really wanted a nice glow all over. Went back to the Suva Beauty neon pink scrunchie color and amplified the pink areas and better blended into the purple. Next up, Suva Beauty Hydra FX and Tracksuit. Since this is a deeper color, I kept the shade to more specific places, down the neck and the inner parts of the eyes along the nose. Also, just a touch of it in the cheek hollows. Punch up some of the white areas with more Skin Illustrator white. Now with Suva Beauty color Acid Trip, keep this under the nose and around the lips, and frame the collarbones. Then taking a spatter of that same color on the forehead, neck, and shoulders, followed by Suva Beauty Hydra FX color Dance Party. Lightly spatter in the same areas. Since I got some on the white spaces, I lightly airbrushed some more white where I didn't want the spatter to be. Up next is Suva Beauty Hydra FX color in Fanny Pack, this time applying it with a brush. Created splotchy markings on the outer edges of the body, moving inward, and some on the forehead, letting it fully dry between coats and really build it up. Want a stark contrast from the softer airbrush parts, adding in a few irregular spots around the area for texture. Then applying line work above the eye and added a wing liner. Back to the Suva Beauty neon yellow Dance Party color and added markings on the chin and around the eyes, making sure to get it nice and opaque. Fill in my lips with Suva Beauty Grape soda, leaving the center of the lip bare since I wanted to bring that yellow color up and didn't want it to get muddy. Then with pink scrunchie, blend it out in the lower lash line. The mixture is pretty dry at this point to give more control. Taking the Dance Party color, throw in some more markings, this time under the eyes, and fill in the remainder of the lip. Since the Suva Beauty liners are water activated, I use ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Insomniac on my waterline. This will stay put and ties in nicely with the Suva pink. Added more of the scrunchy color on the top lid and blended it out. Put on a UV reactive wig and lenses, and cleaned up around the eyes. Applied some chunky glitter on my neck using a setting spray to help it stick, and did this in a few layers. With the Suva blue tracksuit color, added some liner in the inner corners of the eyes, and then a thin line of the Acid Trip orange underneath. Even added a couple of dots. And there you go. Now you're ready to jump under a black light and look radioactive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe if you want to check out any of my upcoming looks. See you next time.